Kia ora, my name's Adrienne Whitewood. I'm a fashion designer and I just opened up my shop Ahu here in Aotearoa. My ethos is about creating an emotional connection to Indigenous design. I noticed that when I first started selling clothing, a lot of women were buying my products because they had a connection to it emotionally, and I started using Māori motifs. I think that's when I started becoming successful, and I reached that point when I did a tikanga Māori paper with Te Wānanga. We learnt things that I didn't even know existed, like the Māori worldview and all these amazing stories about our culture and our history and our amazing leaders. And I thought, I want to be one of those one day. I want to be somebody who created change. Our ancestors were some of the best fabric engineers that you'll ever see. They understood that flax was like a rain cape. Fabric properties. Culture isn't a novelty, it's a necessity. It's how we make a living. My advice for somebody who's wanting to start their own business is you've got to be very mentally strong, and you've got to be able to do whatever it takes, and you've got to be really aggressive. If you want something, you've got to go out and get it.